Alright, there we go. Jay, how's it going? What's going on? How's everyone doing? So we are live on Hack the Box today. So this link right here is not going to be on YouTube for a while because it is a live box, so we don't want to, have done cap in first. Hey, I done cap in first day. What does that mean, Jay? Did you do VJPT or something? You finished it up? Alright, so let's go ahead, and I did kind of start this guy like a little bit. I got to like a PCAP file, but that was it. So let's go ahead and try to ping him. We can ping him, cool. And let's go ahead and run an mmap scan on him. So yeah, I did a little bit on him, but I didn't get anywhere on it. So it looks like I did cap, had the box in first day of it. Oh, nice, nice. Oh yeah, I am doing cap, aren't I? I didn't even realize that. I was like, what are you talking about? Alright, cool. So we got FTP, port 80 and port 22. Let's go ahead and run a service and default scripts on there. See if that's going to be a anonymous login for that one. And let me go ahead and also, I think I forgot to press record. Nope, we're good. Alright. No anonymous login. Okay. So let's go ahead and check out that port 80 then. So we'll do a control V there. That dev. And it looks like we have some type of dashboard. Port scans, unique IPs, security events. Okay. So we do have a PCAP analysis here. You did build some lab in yesterday's live. Can I know what's going on? The lab is, yeah, I'll pull that up again. When we're done with this one, I'll pull up that lab, show how far I've gone along with it so far. That sounded weird how I said that. It's going to be more of just like, we're going to see like, just testing out different stuff on there. Looks like we got quite a few TCP packets in here. Quite a few things in there. Let's go ahead and download this PCAP file, because PCAP is going to be a Wireshark file. So 4.pcap, okay, sounds good. And download that guy, and we'll move from downloads /4.pcap to right here. Let's go ahead and Wireshark that 4.pcap file. We do see that FTP is open, and that website is HTTP, so we would be able to see what information is being sent back and forth in there. I don't know if that PCAP file is like updated or not. So right now we just have a whole bunch of TCP stuff in here. So wow, a lot of TCP stuff. Am I like filtering this by TCP? I'm not. This is all just TCP. Is there any FTP or anything down here? FTP, HTTP, so nothing else in there. Okay. Let's refresh this and see if we get anything else. Let's see if we get like more in there. No, we don't. Okay. Let's go ahead and check out ipconfig. Alright, we got some flags here, 10.10.10.245, that's the box they're on, right? Yep, okay. Network status. I kind of want to go back to that PCAP file to doing all this stuff, see if anything else goes through up there. We can always try to FTP in, just like FTP, TAC-U, root, or Hydra, or something like that. Hydra, TAC-U, root, TAC-P, user, share, word list, rocky.txt. Then we can do like an FTP or something like that. For 10.10.10.245, try something like that. It does not like that at all. On port 21, what's that say? This is non-binding. Please not use. Okay. Hydra, GitHub, and other thing. Unknown service, FTP. Why is FTP an unknown service? I don't understand. That's really weird that's saying that FTP is an unknown service. Pretty sure Hydra has FTP, doesn't it? Yeah, FTP. Why is it saying it's an unknown service then? FTP, boom boom, port 21. Oh, probably because I did attack you, huh? No duh, I'm sitting here like, what are you talking about? Okay, so attack, we try something like that. Now I'm wondering if we're going to get anything else in that PCAP file over here, or anything more going on there, showing like, hey, like, someone's trying to brute force into this thing. And now we're at 1250, so we actually went down. Let's go ahead and download that one. So we just have to download this guy a bunch and see what's going to go on with him. Let's go ahead and move This time it's going to be 5. Let's go ahead and check out that 5. Wireshark 5.pcap. Because right now I'm looking for HTTP or FTP. I'm looking for one of those two. And, because those are going to be the two that actually have something in them. Okay, we saw FTP there, but I don't know if it's going to be FTP like, hey, log incorrect, log incorrect. So that's just all us sending it at it. So that's all our stuff being sent at it, huh? Might want to also, we probably should reset the box before we actually tried it, huh? Let's do that first, since it is a hack the box. Let's go ahead and reset it first before we actually try it, huh? Reset. Reset failed. Cap was not reset. Maximum reset reached for the day. I haven't done anything yet, but okay. Guess I'm not allowed to reset once in a day. I haven't done a reset that I know of yet. Let's see if anything else is happening with that guy right there. So I stopped that one thing, so it's still sitting at 1250. Do I just have to keep downloading PCAP files and just keep looking for HTTP or FTP or something like that? Let's go ahead and try to do like a go buster, I guess, on him. Go buster, dir attack view. That's about how far I got last time. 10, 245. Alright, and we'll do attack W. It's going to be user, share, word list. Dir B, we'll just do big.text. Let's do something like that. See if that guy does anything. And I guess we'll refresh this, I guess. Down at 1049, that seems like less, right? We got 5. I think 1049 is less. So let's go ahead and do a move from downloads. This is like a live one, and I wonder if they have like someone that's always logging in or whatever, you know, like a cron job working on that thing. On Wireshark 5.pcap. We can see this PCAP file and we can do stuff with it. I'm wondering what we can actually do with it. So all I'm seeing like right now is just a bunch of TCP. Yep, on 480. TCP everywhere. Do we have any FTP? Do we have any HTTP? So we don't have anything else in there. Okay. So it's just going to take a while. So it's going to be just downloading that thing. Is that what's going to happen, Jay? We're just going to sit here and download this thing all day? Is there any way to make it do like an FTP thing? 1049 number of UDP packets, because I mean I'm not seeing anything else in here like right now. Let's try that search function. We can always try that. Okay, we got search equals. Can we do like a that's the password? Can we do anything like that? Nope. Okay. We do like cross-site scripting in that search or anything like that, and it's going to give us something. I know you guys don't like that one. Can do anything like that up there? Nope. Okay. So nothing like that. Alright, we could ping him, we could do all that good stuff with him. Got the dashboard here. Failed login attempts, 7 port scans. Anyone else want to hop on there and try to reset it? Maybe there's something else going on. Security snapshot. Now we're down to 842. Okay, it's weird. The numbers keep popping around there. Move from downloads. What? That's 6. What number was that? Did we just download it? 9. Sure. 9.pcap. Okay. Let's go ahead and Wireshark that one, I guess. Wireshark 9.pcap. Alright, now we at least got HTTP, but that's probably just me sending up HTTP request at it, huh? Anything with FTP in here? Anything? Okay, let's look up HTTP then. We got E3 line. I think it's just me just sending stuff up at it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's all just me, because we just got not found, not found, not found, not found. And this guy's sending stuff at it, so let's go ahead and stop that. So let's go ahead and clear that out. Clear it out. We need to somehow get someone to log into FTP, or there's a cron job waiting for us for FTP. I don't know which one. So that's what's kind of making this like a little weird, like right here. So we stopped doing that. So we still have 842. Do we just like keep refreshing these guys? Just keep downloading more and more of these? Like, it's kind of confusing me. That's why I don't do half the box. I feel like we need an FTP freaking protocol to log in, right? Because there's no login here. We got Nathan. Can we log him out? No. Can we go to settings? No. Can we go to message? No. Okay, so we can't do anything like that. We can't log him out or anything like that. And we just get this, like right here, and that's it. Is this going to show me the same thing we just had before? Like, how often does this guy log in, I guess, is my question. I have no idea why it's downloaded. 9.pcap again? Sure, okay. This will move. Hey, you can get cross-site scripting to change passwords, things like that. So you definitely use cross-site scripting for more than a lot of people think you can. TCP. So a bunch of TCP protocols in here, but nothing with FTP. And I feel like, I mean, there's got a bunch of three-way handshakes in here. That's exactly what I have. So right now he's got a bunch of three-way handshakes so far, and then a bunch of HTTP with, you know, 404 obviously not found. We can't reset it. Now we're having some issues, huh? 842. Still 842. Okay. I'm gonna go with the dude's name is Nathan, probably, huh? For at least like an FTP server or something like that. The guy's name's probably Nathan, or like an SSH server or something. Now we have 0 packets. How do we have 0? You know what? I'm going for it. Let's see what we got with 0 packets. Did someone just reset it? I'm wondering. Let's go ahead and move to 10.pcap. Go ahead and Wireshark that, I guess. I don't think I'm going to find anything in there, but there's 0 things in it. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. So we're definitely giving like a live... I didn't reset it. I can't reset it. We're definitely getting like a live overview of this, because now we have 0 packets. So what is happening with these packets here? Run dev control, run system. Something to do with that PCAP file and FTP. Has to be something to do with that. That PCAP file and an FTP. Check data endpoint. Check data endpoint? Like my endpoint? Like, what do you mean? My check data endpoint. I mean, I know what the endpoint is. And it's going to random ports, so... And there's port 21. Listening. There's DNS. And then HTTP. And quad 0 is listening on SSH. Let's see here. The guy's name I'm gonna go with is Nathan. I'm gonna go with that. We're not getting anything over here, so there's absolutely nothing coming in for us. Definitely has to be something with let's go back to dashboard. 357 failed login attempts in the past 24 hours. Port scan, unique IPs, okay. Security events, 1,560, okay. What are those security events for? Coming back over to here. This is a live PCAP. 0. 6. Everything. Okay. We're like data 1. What is that? That's 11. Just 1. Okay. We're getting somewhere up here. Saying try 0. Saying go data 0. Is there a data 0? Okay. We got some there too. So we just change that data up top. 0 PCAP. Okay. Let's see what this is all about. Let's go ahead and do a Wireshark. So it's saving it after so many, what? After so long or so many streams of data there, it's saving it. So let's go ahead and check out this one, because this would be the first one then. 0 PCAP. Okay. And we got HTTP, we have an FTP. Okay, now we're starting to see, stuff. Okay, so the username is Nathan. So let's go ahead and do FTP. Alright. So we have a username of Nathan right here. Please specify the password then. Awesome. So we got password also. So we found a username and password now. We're going to right click, we'll copy that. We'll copy that field name. Now let's go ahead and try that. Now I'm going to try that because SSH was also up and running. So try the SSH in actually. Because that's going to be FTP, so we'll do both. FTP and the 10, 10, 10, what was it again? 10, 10, 10, well that's going to be a little bit different for us now, isn't it? 10, 10, 10, 245. But if he did a password reuse, then we're good. Nathan. There we go. Then we'll also SSH into Nathan at 10, 10, 10, 245. Where am I actually copying and pasting there? Copying and pasting text. Copy and pasting the word text. That's not going to work. Alright. Copy the value. There we go. Okay. Now let's make sure I actually copy the right thing. Yes, I did. So we'll exit up here. We'll do that same thing again. Nathan. We'll see if he did a password reuse here. SSH is Nathan. Yes. We'll go ahead and throw that in there. And he did use password reuse. Okay. Let's go ahead and just look through his FTP, see what we got in here. That is inside of him. Like that's his actual stuff, isn't it? Like that's what I'm going to see over here. Yes, it is. Okay, well I'm not going to show the user.txt because this box is still live. So we're not going to actually just show that. Like right there. So what we can do now, I guess, is we can do a sudo tech-l. We know its password, right? Control Shift V that. You may not run sudo. That's good. Let's go ahead and cat scripts full, no, not full shell. SUID lookup. And see what we got with that. Alright, so SUID lookup. We have unmount, new grep, G password, password sudo, F user mount. Okay. We run anything as the group that he's in? Can we do anything with that? Like his group or whatever? Okay. What we got here? Hack the box is a little bit harder than try hacking me, so that's why I'm going through and doing everything here. Let's go ahead and CD into our temp. New thing learned. Check for password. Oh, always check for password reuse. Nobody Nobody remembers all their passwords. Always do that. Especially when I saw this, I was like, "Huh, that's the stage I think it's gonna be over here," because that's literally what this stuff is. Unless I really wanted to like try CD and .sh, I guess, and look up IDRSA keys, I guess. That's what the authorized key. But yeah, like we're in his actual home directory over there. Let's go ahead and we'll CD and temp. Let's go ahead and do a copy. Whoa, sorry, all headphone listeners. We'll copy limpies over here, and let's go ahead and do a Python tac-m simple server. I have no idea what my IP address is for this guy. Also, I have config on hack the box here. It's weird. Like I feel like I'm on like a whole new thing. Like, oh god, I don't know what to do. It's weird. It's like when you very first start a test, so like you get like used to like what you're doing. So you get like used to like the everything. You're like, oh god. 48888/limpies.sh. Alright, so we got that over there. Change mode +X for limpies. For limpies.sh, and we'll go ahead and run that. And we'll see if we come up with anything for that. Alright, nobody ever remembers all the passwords. You get one password, they're going to be either password reused in real life at least, or something close to that. You know what I'm saying? They did 1 down, 2 down waterfall, you're doing 1 down, 2 down, 3 down, 4 down. You know, something like that. Permit root logging, yes. For SSH, okay. Cool. Unmount. Snap configure. Let's switch sudo and SUID bits. I didn't see anything sudo. It's most likely not anything with like a cron job or anything like that, because it wasn't like that. Like number 10, like when I stopped tacking or whatever, we didn't get anything else off there. We were just looking at our own PCAP tac stuff. We got bash history. We might be able to look at that bash history. See if we can do anything with that, you know? See if he's typed in anything that we could utilize. Alright, so not seeing anything in there. Let's go ahead and CD into his home. What is this? Possible password config files. Okay. I'm going to CD into home. Well, attack LA. Password is really password secret. Everything else, password not that. I don't know, that's weird. CD into Nathan. Let's go ahead and. Okay, so we can't actually do that bash history. What's Python history? Cat.Python history? Quit. It's like a container. What is that Python history all about? Why do you have Python history in here? Okay. Nothing in here. Okay, let's CD back in the home. CD in the var www. CD HTML. App.py. This is more Python. Cap app.py. I wonder where that quit came from. That's in his Python history. That's really weird. Just upload also. Okay, that's all the PCAP files. Okay. PyCache. App. C Python 3.8. This guy run Python 3.8? Maybe? I feel like Limpy's would have told me that, right? If you can run like Python 3.8 or something. I just keep seeing Python stuff, that's all. So I feel like that's kind of weird. The sudo version's old. Or it's red, at least. Saying that's old. We might be able to do something with that. User bin at CVE. What? Okay, doesn't go back that far. GPG. Might be able to just literally just run like full shell with Python 3 and just make it 3.8 since it's what we saw in that one guy. That might work. Might just be able to do something dumb like that. We kept seeing stuff for Python. I'm not seeing anything in Limpy's. It's kind of weird to me. User bin Python 3. It's kind of weird that we saw that, but we're not seeing anything else. I know there's another SUID scripts also that we can run. I don't know, what things can we do with authorized keys eventually. I don't think we do anything with authorized keys. We need the authorized keys don't really matter. We would need the IDRSA. And then you may have to do something like authorized keys to, you know, to do something, but what could I'm gonna do a quick, let's see, cat script full shell. Because literally, like something like this, if he can run Python 3 and it's running as root, I kept seeing that Python 3 crap in there. No, that's not it. Maybe I have to cd into user bin. Nope, nothing in there either. 3.8? Yeah, he could. Yeah, it was Python 3.8, wasn't it? So let's go ahead and do a... God damn it, stop doing that. Let's go ahead and do this. And we'll do a 3.8. Actually, I should just be able to just... Yeah, it was Python 3.8, wasn't it? But it should just be Python 3. I don't think that's... Whoopsie-daisy, that's not a thing. 3.8. Okay, that didn't do anything. What's Python 3.8? Can we look up GTFO bins? GTFO bins. Is there anything we can do with Python 3.8 since it kept telling me about that? Python with, I don't know, SUID? I don't know. Maybe with sudo? I couldn't run sudo, right? It said that user is not allowed to run sudo or whatever. Sudo attack outlet. Can't run it. I already forgot what his password was too, so that's good. Right click, copy value. Sorry, yeah, he may not run sudo. Okay. Yeah, 3.8. Is there like a Python 3.8 like for Python 3? No. It says I can't run anything as sudo. I have my SUID like right here. This is going to be something like that. Except for this time it's going to be Python 3 or like 3.8 or something. Let's try that. Let's go ahead and go to cd into user bin. Let's go ahead and run that. And it's got to be at least be a 3 over here. Yeah, I'm not getting anywhere. Exit. Okay, what about... It's in user bin, right? Yep, user bin Python 3. Does it have to be 3.8? Python 3.8. What do you mean always remember the box you're doing cap? I don't understand what you meant by that. Python 3.8. I think there's another way to be able to look up privileges though. Is there like another thing I have to look up on here? Is there like a capabilities, like cap? Is that what you're trying to say? Okay, the binary has a Linux cap set UID. Let's look up how to find cap set UID. Set UID with cap 0. Okay, let's go ahead and look up this. Like how do I manipulate hat tricks to all none to get a shell with additional cache can be inherited to. So I don't have that in my like little thing. Using capabilities. Okay, get cap tag R. I want that guy like right there. So we're gonna go ahead and put that guy. We're gonna echo him. So we gotta do the capabilities. We're gonna echo. We're just gonna put that. Actually, no, I'm gonna nano that. Nope, nano scripts full shell. I don't know if I really want to nano that full shell though, since that's. Now I want to look nano that in SUID. SUID lookup. Okay, and then we'll do a star for capabilities. For capabilities, we got get cap tag R. Get cap tag R. Oh man, if I just move this guy down it's like a little bit, there we go. Right about there. Get cap tag R /2 that /dev /null. Okay, so let's go ahead and run that, make sure that actually does work. Okay, so there's capabilities. We do have user bin Python 3.8. Okay, cool. So we do have that. So I wonder, do I have to actually run it like Python 3 or do I run it Python 3.28? Let's go ahead and grab this. Control C that. Okay, and we'll do a Control V him into there. We'll just try just Python 3 first. ID, and it looks like we are root, so we can see it in the root. LSTAC LA, and we are finished. Alright, cool. So let's go ahead and look at the what's it called? The thing that I made the other day. The hacking lab. Alright, so that took about 33 minutes, so not too bad. So let's go ahead and look at that hacking lab like real quick. We'll do GNS3. So I made a hacking lab the other day, Jay, on GNS3. I'll show you what I got so far. And I just want to do like things like man in the middle, you know, stuff like that. Did I actually save him? I probably never even saved him. Yeah, hacking labs. Cool, I did. I don't think I saved everything though. But yeah, just some easy stuff. Nothing too difficult there. Doesn't look like. There we go. And I just made like a quick like DHCP server also on just the router alone. Just so you guys know, I also did download server 2019, so we'll set that up, or set it up as much as I can. I also got my exploitable up and running. Obviously, the router that's providing DHCP services. So you guys actually want to see this work. Actually, you know what? Let me, yeah, if you guys actually want to see this work, I'll show you here in a second. You guys are actually go black like real quick. You guys are going to see anything? Boom, you see my face, that's it. Haha. Alright, let me go ahead and grab these two flags. Now I'm just going to throw them into a file. Just so I can put those in there for later. Just so I can get out of this guy and then show you guys how this thing will work. So don't mind me. You guys are going black. You guys are going dark. There, now it feels like, you know, you're playing like Rainbow Six or something. Going dark. Alright, now you guys can come back to me again. Let me see here. There we go. Okay, cool. So, yeah, let's let me go ahead and go into devices, and I'll go into network, and we'll make another network. So I'm going to actually connect this guy on network 2. So I actually want to delete that guy, like right there. Right click, we'll delete him. We'll go ahead and go from my switch, yeah, Ethernet 7, whatever, to we'll go to Ethernet 2. Okay. Now I need to power him off actually, and then power him back on. I think I do. Maybe not. I just have to press play. You might say, hey, he's already up and running or something like that. Twitch is drinking all my. I'm sorry. YouTube is better. I'm sorry. I'm probably gonna be doing this more on Twitch than I am on YouTube, especially if I start with hat the box stuff. So this guy's starting up all these different VMs down here. He has the computer strong enough to run them all. Okay. And the Kali Linux one, it may just say like, hey, like we can't start that. Yeah. It's not powered off. State's currently running. So can I just like say like start, or like can I like double click on him and actually like do something with him? Network. Okay, apply. Okay. And let's go ahead and hop into. Hopefully this will work. Hopefully I don't shut off Kali. If I shut off Kali Linux, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna do it today. Just wasting you guys' time. You go into network adapter 3. All right. I'm gonna disconnect from adapter 1 like real quick. Boom. All right. And let's go ahead and do a I have config, see if I actually connected to the other network. There's my tunnel, that doesn't really matter like right now. I am on network, should be connected to that guy here. If it actually does, it probably won't because it's not saying that's up and running, because it won't go up and running because it's already there. But what you do is something like, did Metasploit actually turn on? I don't think Metasploit actually turned on. Metasploitable 2, are you actually on? I want to see you. I don't see you down here. Metasploitable 2, yeah, you're up and running. Okay, so what I could do, right, let's go in the Raspberry Pi, because I think I might actually have Metasploit in here. On the sub console, do I have that in here? Alright, yeah, I do, but that's going to take way too long. So I would like get into like, you know, Metasploitable or something like that, show you guys everything. So these two guys are actually talking to each other right now. So, hey Z, how you doing? We just finished up actually with one. Yeah, these two guys actually talk to each other or whatever, and obviously I use Kali Linux and start to work through everything. So the plan is to do like NTLM hashing, maybe pass the hash, use like crap map exec, things like that. Yeah, we just finished half the box, so I'm about to finish for tonight. And that's what this whole lab would give us. And yeah, hopefully it'll be a good one. Hopefully it'll be fun. I think it'll be a lot of fun, but we'll see. So I guess it all depends on how I do it, huh? And if you guys have any ideas for it or anything like that, let me know. So I think we can use search for nmap, right? Or search for mapper. Can I do something like that? Like port mapper, network mapper. Let me know how to use nmap in this guy. I know I can do it. Nmap. Okay. Exploit. Now I want to do like an auxiliary scanner, right? Apache. Boom, boom, boom. This is way too zoomed in for my liking. Set UID for nmap. Exploit auxiliary scanner. SMTP relay. Exploit Windows. I don't know. Just try to find like a search for port scan. Is that what it is? Auxiliary scanner, port scan, TCP. So let's go ahead and use that guy. Show options. I think I need an R host first, which I do not know what that R host is over there. So I would actually have to do some type of net discover. Is net discover even on here? We're hacking out Raspberry Pi like right now, so everyone knows. Do we have nmap on here? App install nmap? Can I do that? It's like a thing. How am I supposed to be able to install nmap if yeah, no duh, I know. If the network is connected on the outside. I'm going to build like an entire network on here and do like Active Directory hacking and Metasploitable hacking and have like a web server, stuff like that, and pivoting and everything like that on there. That's what the idea is behind this, like right here. Like maybe we'll put in another router, and then Kali Linux will actually be on the outside. So Kali Linux might not be attached there. We might have Kali Linux attached to the actual router. So we might do something like this, like right here, like hey, you're going to be on fast Ethernet 0.1, and you're going to be on Ethernet 2. It might be something like that. So then he can get in there, and then we'll have a web server out here. Like this guy will be sitting like right here, and he'll go to Raspberry Pi, then to the router 1. You know what I'm saying? So I'll take that Raspberry Pi guy, and we would change out what he's doing. That's what the idea behind this whole thing is. So it would allow us to be able to create an entire network right in GNS3 and be able to hack all the way through it and be able to do NTLM hashes, being able to do pass the hash, hacking Windows 10, Windows 7, Server 2019, maybe throw a Server 2016 in there or something like that, even though it's going to be the same kind of concept, and just work it through like that and just work through Active Directory stuff. That's the plan for that. Alright. So I'll stick around for a minute for any questions or something like that. You guys are going to kind of stare at this while I send up some stuff in Hack the Box over there. So let me go ahead and actually kind of turn on this window capture and turn that one off. And there we go. Cool. Alright. So you guys can watch that. I'm going to go back into my Kali machine here. Back into Hack the Box and send up those flags. So how are you going to do a pivot after initial foothold? It's going to go through a web server, and then the web server would then, from there, we would have another router obviously set up. So the web server would be out here. I would hack into the web server, the external network. From there, the router would talk to the web server and not talk to my guy out here. And then we'd have to pivot through the web server. Yeah, I've done THM Labs. For the Active Directory stuff, they're pretty good. They are. So something like GNS3, we can make it our own, like something that we can mess with and make it so we can do whatever we want with it. That's why I like doing stuff like that. Do some Wireshark playlists. Okay. We can do that on there. We can have Wireshark, stuff like that set up, and kind of like what we just did today with the TCP thing. I don't know, did you watch the video on why Telnet's bad? That shows Wireshark stuff. Also. I don't know if you saw that one, but you're not streaming. I know I'm not streaming on YouTube because we were doing Hack the Box, so I didn't want to stream Hack the Box on YouTube. That's why. Because it was a live machine, so I didn't want to stream that on YouTube. Also, probably going to stream on Twitch a lot more. And that's just literally because if I get partner on Twitch, start getting paid, then I can start doing what is it, like giving out Raspberry Pis, things like that. So it's kind of, I guess, for my own reason, I guess, but it's to be able to ultimately help out everybody else. Because I am not on Twitch, like whatever it's called, affiliate, is that what it's called? I think it's called affiliate, right? I'm not one of those on Twitch. So yeah, I get it. It's great. Set up your own deeper stack. Yep. Yeah, pretty much Z. And I'm also doing like right now I'm also doing what is it? A network defense professional on INE. So I've been doing like PF Sense stuff and things like that. But I don't have that. Yeah, Raspberry Pis are pretty awesome. I got a few of them. But obviously if I'm doing a giveaway, it would obviously be a brand new one. But yeah, that's gonna be about it. So you guys have a good one. Unless you guys got any more questions, but I'm going to head over to bed here in a minute. So you guys have a good night. All right.